If you do not take part in airdrops, then you are missing out on some free cash. If you haven't heard, ZK Sync, a brand new chain, recently airdropped millions of tokens to thousands of people, with some of them earning hundreds of thousands of dollars for simply using the network. Now, if you missed out on all of that, don't worry, because I've got 3 free airdrops that you can take part in right now, and all you have to do is simply play these games. So in today's video, I'm breaking down what those projects are, how you can get started, as well as walking you through the airdrop process, gifting you some free tokens for you to get the ball rolling. And in case you're not aware of just how airdrops work, it's pretty simple. These projects hand out free tokens to people that are early users. And depending on your usage, you are then awarded a certain amount of points. Those points are then converted into cryptocurrency, which is then airdropped the equivalent of your points tally directly into your wallet for free. You can then convert those tokens into USDT before selling them on an exchange and depositing the money directly into your bank account. The first airdrop on this list comes in the form of a play-to-earn game called the Backwoods. This is a slash and shoot 'em up game created on the Solana blockchain. Here you will use your hero to fight fierce battles against demonic creatures in order to protect your town of Knightsville. After each battle, you will earn coins and use those coins to upgrade your character's weapons in order to aid your hero's fighting ability. The stronger your hero is, the quicker you are able to complete all 30 levels, making you eligible for the airdrop. Now when it comes to points, there are 3 ways to get them. The first way is to purchase an NFT of one of the game's characters and stake it within the game. This way you will earn yourself up to 4,000 points daily. The second way is completely free, as all you have to do is play and complete the game, earning yourself up to 2,000 points for your airdrop. Now you can play the game as many times as you like, so it all depends on just how badly you want to win those tokens. The third and final way to earn some points is through a referral link, which you can only get if you own an NFT. The more players you sign up to the game, the more points you receive. And on top of that, players who use a referral link will automatically receive a free number of points just for registering as a player. This way you get a head start and hopefully some free tokens too. Now personally, I don't have a referral code of my own, but I have managed to find the best one for you. It's called Tensor, and this allows you to earn up to 15% extra in airdrop points every time you play the game. Now this airdrop is set to take place in Q3, so you still have some time to make your way up the leaderboard before it happens. At the point of the airdrop, players will be rewarded in Leaf tokens, which is the governance token of the game. This will be deposited directly into your wallet, which is linked to your profile. The best part about the Backwoods for me is that it's also available on mobile, which means it's easy to access and you can pretty much play the game on the go anytime you want. So to get started, the game is free to play, and all you have to do to get it is head to this website over here and then click this button, create a profile for the game, and then link one of your Solana wallets such as Phantom to the game. Once you're registered and connected, you can begin your journey in Knightsville protecting the town from demons. Now if you don't know how to play the game, all you have to do is simply battle, collect points, and upgrade your character's weapons. The stronger you are, the easier it is for you to collect points for your airdrop, so you've got to make sure that you're battle tested. If you've made it this far in the video, welcome to the channel. My name's Ubaid, and if you like all things crypto, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that we can get you started on your quest to acquiring internet money.
Yeah, give us internet money.
The next airdrop on this list is confirmed for the end of Q3, and if you're consistent enough, you could rack up an enormous amount of points and cash out big time when it happens. Backed by Binance with their MVB Accelerator program comes BLUM, a decentralized exchange that offers trading options for tokens from both centralized and decentralized platforms. This way you will have everything you need all in one app. And in case you're wondering, yes, you will be able to trade on all of the major chains. From Solana to Ethereum, Avalanche, Ton Network, Binance, it's all available. Now in order to be eligible for this airdrop, all you have to do is be human, as well as clicking this referral link in the description below. This is going to open up the BLUM app inside of Telegram, which will link you to the account. It's then going to ask you to enter your details, basically just your name or nickname. And if you have a Telegram account already, then it will be automatically loaded. So a load screen will then pop up, adding all the features within the app. You'll then see the screen pop up saying that you've checked in. These will represent your daily rewards, which is something that will be replenished every single day upon opening the app. You will then receive 10 BLUM points and 5 play passes to play the game. In the middle of the screen is your points tally, and this will sum up your total from all tasks. Now you can start collecting points immediately by playing this simple click screen game. All you have to do is click the green stuff and avoid the bombs. In order to slow all of that down, you can then click on the ice blocks, which will freeze your screen, and once you finish the game, you will receive your points, depending on how well you did. Now, I would recommend clicking start farming at the bottom of the screen first, and this will automatically start farming points for you. You'll see on the side of it that there's an 8-hour time lapse for the automatic farming. So every 8 hours, you're going to have to renew that by opening up the app and clicking start farming. Right at the bottom alongside the home button, you will find tasks. This will give you a list of things that you can do in order to earn some BLUM points very quickly. These are some super simple tasks that you may have already completed if you were in crypto for a little while. Things such as passing verification on Binance, following BLUM on X, joining the Discord page, subscribing to the YouTube channel, subscribing to my YouTube channel. And once you've completed all of these steps, new tasks will emerge, so make sure to check it regularly in order to maximize your points tally. Lastly, you can invite up to 10 friends to join the BLUM app, which you will be rewarded for doing. Now, in order to find your referral link, click on invite friend and simply copy the link and send it or post it anywhere you'd like. Now, this is where I'm going to need your help. So I've gone and posted my referral link in the description below for 10 of you to use. Once that stops working, I'm going to need you to post yours in the comment section as well to help out not just yourself, but everyone else that's finding the project as well. So make sure to post your referral link in the comments down below and help out the community. And with quarter 3 having only just begun, you've still got some time to make your way up the leaderboard. The Pixelverse is a cyberpunk video game ecosystem where players get to explore a neon world filled with quests, battles, and opportunities in order to craft and customize robots. Here you get to play against other players in a 1v1 battle style with your robots, as well as PvE arena battles where players get to battle for a pool of tokens. Now, they are constantly having new rounds of airdrops every few months, so if you do miss out on this one, do make sure to keep an eye on them so that you don't miss out on the next round of free Pixelfy tokens. Now, in order to get started, the first thing you're going to do is open up this Telegram bot link in the description below. Click on the Pixelverse airdrop page, and this will ask you to sign in using your email address. For doing this, you will automatically receive 500 points just for signing up. So once you enter the website, it will show you your profile, which you can then edit completely by going over here. So here you get to enter in your name with your email address as well as your bio. You're then going to be asked to link your socials. You've got Telegram, X, and Discord. I've gone ahead and linked all 3 of them. Once you're done, do make sure to click the save button so that the info can be captured on your profile. Next, you're going to head to the referral link on top. This will show you your referral link as well as your code, which you can then share with other players. This right here is your total of points gained through referral links. So remember, you will receive points from anyone that chooses to sign up to the game using your link. If they were to spend anything, you would also earn 5% of that, so it all adds up. So now we're going to head to your profile and go to pets. Here you will see your pet character that you will be playing the game with. Here you will need to feed your pet every day. You'll see that these points over here, this will also capture the amount of days that you have checked in consecutively by feeding your pet. If you don't like your pet, you could also upgrade it, and you can do that by purchasing a new character in-game. There's a few that are up for sale, and if you have enough Pixelfy tokens, you can buy yourself a Ratatouille. You can also sell it after a while if you wish to upgrade it over time, so there is a market for your pets. The next tab is tasks, and this is the easiest way for you to gain some points. Here, all you have to do is complete these tasks. Like all other airdrops, they involve promoting the project on social media by simply retweeting things or following the social media pages. These are super simple to do, and they can be done almost every day as new tasks will appear on a consistent basis. The more you do this, the more points you receive and the quicker you will upgrade your character's profile. Lastly, you can also change your avatar if you like. You get to go ahead over here and click on avatar. Here you will find a few to select from. Now you can only change this once per day, so make sure you are happy with the one you've chosen. Now that we've gotten everything sorted, let's head over and play the game. As soon as you open up the game over on Telegram, you'll see that it will ask you to connect your OKX wallet, informing you about the giveaway. Just for doing that, you will receive up to 30,000 Pixelfy coins that you can use in-game. Now, Pixelfy seems to always have an airdrop going live, so make sure that you're always up to date with them so that you can get an early start on the next one. So these are all your tabs at the bottom of the screen, but the main one you need to know is how to fight, of course. So you go over here and click on your character, and here you choose whether to fight a friend by sending an invite link or do battle with a random opponent. Once you're paired up, you simply have to wait for the battle to start and tap on the highlighted circles on the screen as fast as you can. Remember, the faster you click, the more damage you will inflict on your opponent. Once you win a battle, you will then be rewarded with more pixel coins, which you can use to strengthen your pet. So make sure to do this enough times in order to maximize your chances for the airdrop. Now, I do have a major project being announced in the next few days, and you guys are going to want to be subscribed to the channel for that, because it is time sensitive and you will be able to earn money directly from it. So make sure that you've got bell notifications turned on, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.